Hey, what's going on? It's Dalton. It's about almost 6 o'clock. And I was just thinking to myself, this is like everything I loved about being a Marine without the parts that I hated. So, racetracks, they don't have a lot of standing water. So, in turn, you don't get a lot of insects like mosquitoes and stuff like that. You get a little bit of element of danger and excitement and adrenaline because you're driving a car. You get teamwork and camaraderie, and at the same time, you don't have people trying to kill you, and that's pretty cool. And then look at my view. I mean, it's RVs parked next to me, but I look up and it's just the sky and the clouds, and I hear coyotes in the background howling and everything, and I get to enjoy it. And I also get to have the knowledge that I drive home to my wife in a couple of days versus being out in the field and people trying to kill you and you don't know if you're coming home at all. So this is nice. Yeah, it's nice.